Hey guys, so on the last video, I did a quick demo on how to do this one. It was a very fast demo. I only had like 15 minutes, I think. That's all that YouTube gives me. So on this, going further now, I'm gonna just slow down. This might be like 4 videos, I think. I'm gonna just try to take it much more slower. So this is what we did last time. Just gonna show it here. This is gonna start up my webcam. Okay, eventually it'll show. And then there's the object detection. Gonna fast forward it a little bit. There it goes. Detecting the bin and stuff like that. And the pickup. So we did this on the last one. Seeing it changes the text and everything. And then we can stop the camera and stuff. So we did that on the last thing. So we're gonna start making this look like the app that I made, and I can show that also here. And this is what the app will finally look like. Okay, so let's get started on that. Okay, so this is what we have where we left off at. Just some things kind of messed up around here, kind of scattered around. I'm gonna kind of just start off with making a whole new div here. Okay, and then I'm gonna have this class name video display container. Okay, and then I'm gonna have another div and have that as class name video display buttons. Might not actually do something with that one. Just wanted to kind of see if I can kind of keep it a little organized. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna copy over what we have for the button. This one right here, the stop button. Okay, right here, the stop button. Gonna paste that in here. Try to organize it a little bit. Okay. And then let's see here. So this stop button is actually going to have an icon next to it, and I use React icons, so we'll have to install that dependency. But I use that one because it's pretty simple to use. For the actual button itself, we're going to have like a conditional class name, and it's going to be conditional based on disable stop button, like a use state that we're gonna declare up top. Okay, and it's gonna be stop webcam button, disable cam button. So if disable stop button is true, we want to stop it. Then we want to disable the cam button. And then if we don't want to disable it, we just want to leave it with its regular style. Okay, and then if we do want to disable it, so there's a style to it, and then there's also like actually disabling the button so that they can't push it, so that users can't push it. Disable stop button. Okay, so we got that, and then this part right here, video display container. Okay, so I think I see what's going on here. So we want to take video display down to right here. Okay, then we want to put that right underneath video display buttons. Okay, and then we can get rid of this because we already have this. Okay, so now we got that. Let's see if there's anything else. I think that looks good. So now let's start putting this use states for this together. Disable stop button. I'm gonna actually copy that. Go up on top. Then we'll put that down here. Okay, disable stop button. Then we want to just set it. I'm gonna set it to true. We want it to default to having it disabled until like everything loads and everything, and then they start the camera. Then we can not disable it and show the stop button. So that'll make more sense, kind of like during the demo. Okay, so then now that we got that, we should start doing the styles for these right here. We have a stop button function already up here because we did that in the last video right here. We're actually going to be adding to this, but just not right now. Okay, so let's go to the let's see. So we have the container already. Okay, so that's good. We have a display already. Let's see, what else do we need here? We need, okay, the stop webcam button. So let's do that, and then the disable cam button. Okay, so let's do that. I'm gonna kind of put it like right. Okay, it's in between here. So I'm gonna put it in here between these ones because that's where it is on the web page. Stop web cam button. There's a few properties for this here. So let's see, I made it like 95 out of 30. Give it a little margin bottom, 3 pixels. Font size, made it small. Extract form, uppercase. Font weight 500. Color. Go. Background white. Give it a bold border, and I use RGB. Oh. Okay. Give it a radius. Pixels, transition. Okay. Make it kind of smooth kind of transition there. And then give it a pointer, and then no outline. Okay, and then we're gonna do the disable cam button here. Okay. It's gonna be, put it right down here. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, got a bunch of things here. Okay, yeah. It's because okay, so like I said, I use npm React icons. Okay, make sure it's going in the right spot. Yep. So I'm gonna let that install, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so everything compiled after installing React icons. We gotta import that up here. Stop icons. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so it's right here. It's just faded out. Okay. And that's actually what we wanted to do. Okay. I just wanted to quickly show React icons. Something that I use a lot. I know it's just another dependency to add on, but it makes it really cool, simple to use icons. It's called React icons right here, and then you go to like these things right here, and this is just basically what I did is like import the name, and then you use this like FC thing. See how it kind of has like I don't know, prefix, I guess, or FC, and then you just put that right there, and yeah, it works really good. So just wanted to show that. Okay, so for this div up here. I'm gonna name that container. And you know, divs, they drive me nuts. I start building these things out, and then it becomes container. And so like I think I mentioned before, is, you know, this is the way I did this. And you can do it however you want. Take this as just foundation, gut out whatever you need to. There's a lot of ways to do things in programming and developing and stuff. So yeah. But what I'm gonna do is, so I named this container, and then I'm gonna get rid of this. We don't need this. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, that was just for like demo purposes to kind of get like a foundation started, and then we can get rid of this one. Okay, because we don't need that. So this is gonna be like the top portion of the app. Like basically, we're gonna start doing this part. The other part we just did was kind of like this video part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna name this here. I put top container. Okay, and then in here, another div, and then we're gonna call this top title. For that, garbage can pickup was the title. Okay, and then okay, so then I have this part here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. There we go. Gotta end the div there. So this is, I call it instructions container. Okay, and what that is this part right here. It's like these instructions right here. I don't know what our app is looking at. Okay, we got, yeah, okay. So let's see here. So I'm gonna put construction container. And then in here, I have a class name. Instructions. Okay, I use p tags. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be like step 1, open YouTube. Okay, and then I used an anchor tag, class name, YouTube link, because I do have a class on that one. And then I'm gonna have to copy and paste this one, guys. But you use whatever one you want. Okay. And then target. And I want to open up a blank page. Okay. And then we can just name this here garbage pickup sample video. So that's the sample video link. Okay, on another device. Okay, I'm gonna end that one. So this part right here, step 1, that is this part right here, step 1. Now let's do step 2. Okay, you can probably even just copy and paste this text right here. Okay, put it down there for right now. Okay, p tag, let's throw it in there. Okay, let's throw that in there. Oop. It's not liking that way I copied and paste that one. Should be some normal functionality to just do. Okay, and then okay, we're gonna just end that up here. Okay, so that's closing out there. That looks good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is at this point, let's fill in the CSS for this part. Okay.